And I always talk about my favorites and how fabulous they are, but I want to demonstrate for you a couple of things that I am really loving and a woman of color I wanted to share. Kylie Skin came out with a whole bunch of stuff and I really enjoy it. And I wanted to show you how this product glows on my skin. She came out with a scrub, she came out with an oil, she came out with a moisturizer. And for me, out in California, wearing all of the little sexy dresses, when I tell you that your arms and legs count, they count because they're giving you length, honey. So without any further ado, let me demonstrate and we get this thing going. This is like a behind the scenes because we're doing another underwear photo shoot, trying to feel sexy. Let's go. So for those of you that were asking, this is Kylie Skin, and like I said, she has the sunscreen oil, she has the coconut body lotion, coconut body scrub, and of course in her traditional pink with the Kylie little makeup bag. Okay, guess who's here? Ebony to assist. So give me the lotion first, and then she has like a little clip here to hold the pump so that you don't lose anything. So I'm taking out a little bit of lotion for moisturization. So you moisturize the entire leg, yeah? And I'm going to show you the difference between one and the other, yeah? So this is my thigh, yummy, yummy, yummy. And then we're going to go in with the oil. And this just gives me life. Just look. This is one, this is the other. Can you just see? So there you have, and you just spray onto the whole leg, and it smells like coconut. It smells so, so gorgeous. Absolutely. So this is my other leg, and this is the one with the lotion as well as the coconut oil. Now we're going to go with Kimmy, yeah? And I want to show you guys the skin foundation that she had, so you can see what it looks like on deeper skin tones. So there you have a little bit, and there you go. Just put a little bit on, and it's buildable.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Do you see? And you can do that with your knee as well, a little bit over, so that it really looks fluid. Look at the difference. Yeah? And this one is called the Skin Perfecting Body Foundation in Deep Dark. Now, we are going to go into the Skin Perfecting Body Shimmer in Bronze, KKW. So I'm going to take a little bit again. I'm going to put it onto the brush, and we're just going to run this down to give it that glow. And I'm doing like a photo shoot today, so I really want to look fabulous, honey. Fabulous. And you can use this on your arms, you can use this on your shoulders. And then the last bit is the Shimmer powder for face and body, also in bronze, KKW. So let's take a little bit and we just glide that in front. Let me just sprinkle some. Can you guys see? And there you have it. And it just lengthens the leg. It is really great for all of those mini skirts to really have your leg to be lovely and fluid.
Yes, I can see it's gorgeous. Yeah. That's the one without.
That's the one with, this is the one without, this is the one with. Without, with. Ashy, glowy. Ashy, glowy. Glowy, ashy.
Fabulous.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. Was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, but had to carry on. I guess I really was giving up on love. and I tried to block those feelings off. Said I do. In a millisecond, then it all came back. When I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my feelings come to life again.